Hello everyone, I am Balaji Rao. Welcome to BR Max class. This is 7th class on integration. To understand today's class, earlier classes knowledge is compulsory. Especially, you must be good in all integration formulas and you must learn model number 2. What you learn in model number 2? Whatever 19 formulas you learned till now, in all those 19 formulas, in place of x, if ax plus b is present, then how to integrate. And trigonometric formulas knowledge is compulsory. So let's see what are the problems we are going to do in today's class. These are the problems from exercise number 7.3. Actually, many students confuse how to do the problems from exercise number 7.3. You observe here, as I am doing all the problems model wise, till now we completed 3 models. This is first class in model number 4. You observe here 6 problems are there. Observe all these things, what you identified. Look this one, integral of sine square x dx. Okay, integral of cos square x dx, integral of tan square x dx, integral of cot square x dx, integral of secant square x dx, integral of cosecant square x dx. All trigonometric function squares are there. So that while doing problem, when you see the question in examination, if it is square type of problem, immediately you should get an idea. Yes, these problems, science, we know how to integrate integral of sine square x dx, how to integrate integral of cos square x dx, integral of tan square x dx. You need to know that. That's why I kept all these problems at one place. Here total 6 problems are there. Now you observe, these are little difficult problems. Little, not very difficult. You see, integral of sine cube x dx, integral of cos cube x dx, integral of tan cube x dx, integral of cot cube x dx. You observe these problems. Integral of cos cube x dx, integral of tan cube x dx, integral of cot cube x dx. Cube series is there here. Okay. So after these 4 problems, you look here, integral of sine power 4x dx, integral of cos power 4x dx, integral of tan power 4x dx, integral of cot power 4x, secant power 4x, cosecant power 4x. So total 16 problems are there. Here integral of cosecant cube x, secant cube x not done in cube series. At this moment, as you learn only 3 models, you cannot do this cosecant cube x dx with the help of first 3 models. In this class, we are going to do these 12 plus 4, 16 problems. Okay. So, without much delay, let's begin the class. Okay. You observe. First, I'll calculate integral of sine square series, integral of this series. These 6 problems I'll complete first. Okay. Let's start the solution. In model number 4, total 16 questions are there. And this is question number 1. What is question number 1? Integral of sine square x dx. As I said in the beginning of this class, if you want to understand these problems, you must be good in trigonometry formulas and you must be good in integration formulas, and model number 2 compulsory. This is model number 4. You must know model number 2, integration formulas must, trigonometry formulas must. However, whatever trigonometry formula we will use in that particular problem, I am going to recall. Look here, sine square x. What is the trigonometry formula you know related to sine square x? You know this formula, 1 minus cos 2x formula. What is 1 minus cos 2x formula? This is most wanted formula. In case if you do not know, from now onwards you try to remember this. 1 minus cos 2x formula is 2 sine square x. Okay. Here what I want sine square x. In this formula I want sine square x. Here this 2 is there, not? You take 2 to the left hand side. Then what is sine square x? Sine square x is 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2, correct? 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2. So, what you know here, you know that sine square x is 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2. So, in this question here, sine square x is there, na? In place of sine square x, what I'll write? 1 minus cos 2x by 2. In case, if you do not know this formula, nothing to worry. Leave this problem and go for next problem. No other option is there. If you want to do this problem, you must know this formula. Trigonometry formulas must. Okay. This equal to integral of sine square x dx. In place of sin square x, I'll write 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2. Okay, right? Sin square x formula is 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2 into dx. Okay. You observe here, you know this formula in integration. Integral of k into f of x dx is what? That is k times of integral of f of x dx. In second class, we learned basic rules of integration. So here 1 by 2 is the constant. 1 by 2 is the constant. So I will take constant outside the integral. 1 by 2 into integral of 1 minus cos 2x dx. Okay. Now I need to integrate this. How to integrate? I integrate each and every term like this. That equal to 1 by 2. I will keep a bracket here. Integral of 1 dx minus integral of cos 2x dx. I hope you are understanding. I am integrating this one. How to integrate this? We integrate each and every part like this. Okay. Now I'll integrate this one. That equal to 1 by 2 into integral of 1 dx. In first class you learned the formula integral of k dx. What is integral of k dx? Integral of k dx is kx plus c, right? So integral of 1 dx is what? Integral of 1 dx is 1 into x plus c. That is x plus c I will write at the end. 1 into x minus. Look this one. Integral of cos 2x dx. To do this problem, you must be good in model number 2. In model number 2, I'll quickly recall. You learned that integral of cos x dx is sin x plus c. This is what you learned in model. This is the formula you learned in first class. Integral of cos x dx is sin x plus c. Now, in model number 2, what you learned in the formula, in place of x, if ax plus b is there, look here, here x is there, ax plus b, that means 2x plus 0, right? In place of x, if ax plus b is there, how to integrate it? That is what we learn in model number 2. Now, what we will get here? In place of x, if ax plus b is there, then its answer starts with 1 by x coefficient. What is x coefficient here? X coefficient is 2. 1 by 2 into, as you know, integral of cos x dx is sin x. Integral of cos 2x is, we will write sin 2x plus c. Sin 2x plus c. So what is integral of cos 2x dx? 1 by 2 into sin 2x plus c. This is what we learn in model number 2. However, I quickly recalled how to do it. So integral of cos 2x dx is 1 by 2 into sin 2x. Okay. At the end, I will write plus c. If you want, you can multiply here. You just multiply 1 by 2 into x. That is, 1 by 2 into x minus 1 by 4 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. I am multiplying these two. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 into sin 4x. 1 by sin 2x plus c. I hope you understand how to calculate integral of sin square x dx. If you know integral of sin square x dx, you can easily calculate integral of cos square x dx. Yes, I am saying correct. You can easily calculate integral of cos square x dx. How to calculate integral of cos square x dx? Second problem. First problem, second problem are similar problems. Only the thing is, you need to know trigonometry formulas, integration formulas and model number 2 problems. Okay, integral of cos square x dx. What is integral of cos square x dx? To do this, you must know this trigonometry formula. What is the trigonometry formula? 1 plus cos 2x formula. What is 1 plus cos 2x formula? 1 plus cos 2x formula is 2 cos square x. You need to know this formula. In case if you do not know this trigonometry formula, you cannot go further. Okay. Actually, in the question what I want cos square x. So here what I will do, this 2 is there, I will take it to the left hand side. Then what you will get? Then you will get cos square x as 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2. So in the question here cos square x is there. In place of cos square x, I will substitute this one. Yes, substitute integral of 1 plus cos 2x divided by 2 into dx. You can observe that last problem and this problem. Here 1 minus cos 2x by 2 is there. Here 1 plus cos 2x by 2 is there. Only plus is the variation. Remaining all are as it is. Okay. Now here constant is there. I will take that constant outside the integral. 1 by 2 into integral of 1 plus cos 2x dx. Okay. Now I need to integrate this one. How to integrate? I integrate each and every term. That equal to 1 by 2 into integral of 1 dx plus integral of cos 2x dx. This is like similar, same, only the difference is in last problem here minus is there, in this problem here plus is there. That's it. Rest of all are as it is. That equal to 1 by 2 into integral of 1 dx. You know the formula for integral of k dx. Integral of k dx is kx. Integral of 1 dx is 1 into x. That is x plus integral of cos 2x dx. This, how to do these things? You learn these things in model number 2. I'll quickly explain. You know this formula, na? Integral of cos x dx is sin x plus c. Correct? In place of x, if ax plus b is there, right? In place of x, if ax plus b type linear form is there, then its answer starts with 1 by x coefficient. What is x coefficient here? X coefficient is 2. Okay, as you know, integral of cos x dx is sin x. Integral of cos 2x, I'll write it as sin 2x. This is what we learn in model number 2. So here integral of cos 2x dx is there. Na? What it will be? It will be 1 by 2 into sin 2x plus c. Now you 1 by 2 is there. Na? Multiply with this. What you will get? You will get that 1 by 2 into x plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. That is 1 by 4 into sin 2x plus c. I hope you understand this. Now, what are the things completed? We completed integral of sin square x dx. We completed integral of cos square x dx. Now, integral of sin square cos square over tan square x dx. This is easy problem only. But trigonometry knowledge compulsory. You must know trigonometry knowledge. Right? Okay. So, how to do this problem? How to do this problem? Right. In trigonometry, you know this formula 1 plus tan square x equal to secant square. Actually, in basic model, first model we did this problem, but I written this problem again just to explain you that when sin square x, cos square x, tan square x, cot square x, secant square x, cosecant square x, when this series is there, then how to do those problems? Okay, here tan square x is what? Tan square x is secant square x minus 1. Okay. So here in place of tan square x, I'll write secant square x minus 1. Okay. That equal to integral of secant square x minus 1 dx. Okay. Now I need to integrate this. How to integrate? I'll integrate each and every term. Okay. That equal to integral of secant square x dx minus integral of 1 dx. You look here, integral of secant square x dx. Direct formula is there. In first class of integration formulas, you learned that integral of secant square x dx is tan x plus c. Direct formula. So you write it. Integral of secant square x dx is tan x. We learned this formula. Okay. You learn 19 formulas till now in this integration chapter. In those 19 formulas, integral of secant square x dx is tan x plus c. That is what I written. Minus integral of k dx. K is constant. Integral of k dx is kx plus c. Integral of 1 into dx is 1 into x plus c. So integral of tan square x dx is tan x minus x plus c. I hope you are understanding. Now integral of sin square x dx is over. Integral of cos square x dx is over. Integral of tan square x dx is over. What next? Integral of cot square x dx. Integral of cot square x dx. Square series problems we are doing. This problem is very easy, but you need to know the trigonometry formula. If you do not know this trigonometry formula, you need not to worry. Just leave this problem and go for next problem. Because without this formula, we cannot proceed further. What is 1 plus cot square x? 1 plus cot square x is cosecant square x. Here, what is there here? Cot square x. From this, what is cot square x? Cot square x is cosecant square x minus 1. Okay, cot square x is cosecant square x minus 1. That equal to, okay, that equal to integral of cot square x can be written as cosecant square x minus 1 dx. Now, how to do this? I'll integrate each and every term. Okay, integrate. That equal to integral of cosecant square x dx minus integral of 1 dx. You look this one, integral of cosecant square x dx. In first class, you learned 19 formulas. Na? In those 19 formulas, this formula is there. Integral of cosecant square x dx, direct formula. Yes, integral of cosecant square x dx is minus cot x. Integral of cosecant square x dx is minus cot x minus integral of 1 dx. Integral of 1 dx is x. Integral of 1 dx is x plus c. So integral of cot square x dx is what? Integral of cot square x dx is minus cot x minus x plus c. I hope you understand. Integral of sin square x dx is over. Integral of cos square x dx is over. Integral of tan square x dx is over. Integral of cot square x dx is over. Now, fifth, sixth are very easy one. Fifth, sixth are very easy one. Integral of secant square x dx. Actually, we have this direct formula. Just to make the things similar, I written this again. Integral of sin square x dx, integral of cos square x dx, integral of tan square x dx, integral of cot square x dx, integral of secant square x dx. In the first class, you learned 19 formulas. Now, in those 19 formulas, this is there directly. Integral of secant square x dx is what? Integral of secant square x dx is tan x plus c. Why? Why? Because from the definition of antiderivative, if I differentiate tan x plus c, I am going to get secant square x. Okay. Now, sixth one. What is the sixth one? Sixth one is integral of cosecant square x dx. Integral of cosecant square x dx. This is also direct formula. In first class you learn 19 formulas. Na? There this formula is there. Integral of cosecant square x dx is minus cot x plus c. Integral of cosecant square x dx is minus cot x plus c. So we completed 6 problems out of 16 problems. You look here. In today's class we are doing these problems. Now this first set is over. Integral of sin square x dx, integral of cos square x dx, integral of tan square x dx. To do this second set, integral of cosecant square, integral of sin cube x, integral of cos cube x, integral of tan cube x, integral of cot cube x. To do these problems, you must be good in trigonometry formulas and you must be good in model number 2. That's it. If you are good in model number 2, if you are good in trigonometry formulas, we can do these problems. Let's see how to solve integral of sin cube x dx. Okay. Next, question number 7, right? Question number 7. Integral of sin cube x dx. How to integrate this? If you want to do this problem, very easy thing. You must know sin 3x formula, not sin cube x. Sin 3x formula. Sin 3x formula is what? Sin 3x formula is 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. This is sin 3x formula. Okay. What I want sin cube x. In this formula, where is sin cube x? You look here. Here sin cube x is there. So, here sin cube x is there. Okay. Here sin cube x is there. So, what I will do? From this formula, I will try to write what is sin cube x. Okay. This minus 4 sin cube x is there. Na? You take it to the left hand side. This sin 3x, you take it to the right hand side. Then what you will get? You will get that 4 sin cube x. 4 sin cube x. This minus 4 sin cube x, when I take this side, it will become plus 4 sin cube x equal to 3 sin x minus sin 3x. I hope you are understanding. Right? So, this is the formula for sin 3x. You learn in trigonometry formulas. In this, here minus 4 sin cube is there, na? I written. Now, actually what I want sin cube x. So, what I will do, this complete equation I will divide with 4. Here I will divide with 4. This side also I will divide with 4. Why? Just to get sin cube x. Okay. Sin cube x. You take this 4, divide with 4. What you will get? This will become 3 by 4 into sin x. 3 by 4 into sin x minus 1 by 4 into sin 3x. I hope you understand this. Say yes or no. Understand or not? Now, what I will do? Here sin cube x is there. Na? In place of sin cube x, I will write this part. Okay. So that I can integrate it very easily. Integral of, in place of sin cube x, what we got? We got it as 3 by 4 into sin x minus 1 by 4 into sin 3x dx. Okay. How to integrate this? How to integrate this? I will integrate each and every term. Okay. That equal to integral of 3 by 4 into sin x dx. Okay. Minus integral of 1 by 4 into sin 3x dx. I hope you understand this. Understand. Very good, Likita. Now, integration of this. Here constant is there. Na? I'll take constant outside the integral. What you will get? This will become 3 by 4 into integral of sin x dx minus, here 1 by 4 is there. Na? Take outside the integral. What you will get? 1 by 4 into integral of sin 3x dx. Okay. Look here, how to do this further. Yes, integral of sin x dx. In first class, we learned this formula. Integral of sin x dx is what? Integral of sin x dx is minus cos x, correct? Integral of sin x dx is minus cos x, direct formula. Okay, minus 1 by 4 into, now integral of sin 3x dx. This is what I am saying. You need to know model number 2. In model number 2, what you learn? Integral of sin x dx formula, if it is there. What is integral of sin x dx formula? Minus cos x plus c. From model number 2, what you learn? In this formula, in place of x, if ax plus b is there, then how to write its answer? Integral of sin 3x dx. Okay. Integral of sin 3x dx. Okay. Now, in place of x, if here ax plus b is there, na? So its answer starts with 1 by x coefficient. That is what we learn in model number 2. So what you will get here? Here 1 by 3. 1 by 3. Okay. Into integral of sin x dx is minus cos x plus c na. So integral of cos 3x we'll write here minus cos 3x. Minus cos 3x plus c. This is what we learned in model number 2. So if I simplify this, what I'll get? I'll get minus 1 by 3 into cos 3x plus c. So what is integral of sin 3x dx? Directly you can write if you know model number 2. What is that? Minus 1 by 3 into cos 3x. So what you will get here? This is minus 1 by 3 into cos 3x plus c. I hope you are understanding. This we learn in model number 2. In case if you are not good in model number 2, immediately you please check that model number 2. So if I simplify this, plus of minus is minus 3 by 4 into cos x, minus of minus plus 1 by 4 3 is 12 into cos 3x plus c. I hope you understand. Next one is 8th problem, integral of cos cube x dx. This is also little lengthy, cos cube x dx, but very simple thing. If you know cos 3x formula, from trigonometry you learn cos 3x formula. If you know cos 3x formula, this problem can be done very easily. What is cos 3x formula? Cos 3x, 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. This is cos 3x formula. You must know this formula. In case if you do not know this formula, we cannot proceed further. In the question, what we need? Look here. We need cos cube x. Here, in this formula, where is cos cube x? Here is the cos cube x. So, actually, I need cos cube x. So, what I'll do? I'll write 4 cos cube x from this. What is 4 cos cube x? 4 cos cube x is cos 3x plus 3 cos x. I hope you are understanding. What I need actually? I need cos cube x, right? I need cos cube x. What is cos cube x? You divide this complete equation with 4, then you will get cos cube x. Cos cube x equal to 1 by 4 into cos 3x plus 3 cos x, right? So now what I'll do here, cos cube x is there. Now in place of cos cube x, I'll write this information. Okay, write it. That equal to integral of, in place of cos cube x, I'll write this 1 by 4 into cos 3x plus 3 cos x dx. Now I need to integrate this. How to integrate this? I'll integrate each and every term like this. Integral of 1 by 4 into cos 3x dx plus integral of 3 cos x dx. Okay, here k constant, 1 by 4 constant. You take 1 by 4 outside the integral. 1 by 4 into integral of cos 3x dx. Here dx I forgot. Dx plus here 3 constant is there, na? You take it outside the integral. 3 into integral of cos x dx. I hope you are all understanding. Okay, now further, that equal to 1 by 4 into integral of cos 3x dx. This is what we learned in model number 2. In place of x, if ax plus b is there, how to write its answer? See, you know integral of, I am writing again and again, you please don't get bored. Try to understand. Integral of cos x dx is sin x plus c. This formula we learned. What you learn in model number 2? In place of x, if ax plus b is present, in place of x, if ax plus b is present, its answer starts with 1 by x coefficient. What is x coefficient here? X coefficient is 3. So 1 by 3 into, as you know, integral of cos x dx is sin x plus c. You will write integral of cos 3x dx as sin 3x. Sin 3x plus c. So, what is integral of cos 3x dx? Its answer starts with 1 by x coefficient. As you know, integral of cos x dx is sin x. Integral of cos 3x dx is sin 3x. Okay, sin 3x plus 3 times of integral of cos x dx. This is direct formula. Integral of cos x dx is what? Integral of cos x dx is sin x plus c. So at the end I will write integral constant plus c. Now if I simplify this further, 4 into 3, 12 into sin 3x plus 3 sin x plus c. I hope you understand this, right? So we completed integral of cos cube x dx also. What happened? We got wrong here. Oh God. Good. We are able to identify that mistake. Please look here. This one is then when I divide with 4, what I will get? 1 by 4 into cos 3x. Here what you will get? You will get 3 by 4 now. So 1 by 4 is then here in place of cos cube x, I need to write this. So here you will get 3 by 4. Okay. We can rectify it very easily. It's 3 by 4. 3 by 4. 3 by 4. So what is the answer you will get? For cos cube x, 3 by 4 into sin x plus 1 by 12 into sin 3x. Last problem, let me check we got correctly or not. Last problem, minus 3 by 4 cos x plus 1 by 12 into cos 3x. Very good. Small mistake. See, you have to be careful while doing the problems. We will be little hurry to do the problems, then we will get the mistake. See here, this equation is there. Here you observe this one. Here this equation is there. To get cos cube x, I need to divide with 4. Okay, when I divide with 4, here 1 by 4, here 3 by 4. By 4 will be there. Okay, so I written now 3 by 4. I got the correct answer. So integral of cos cube x dx, this is the correct answer. I hope you understand this. Okay, right. So integral of sin cube x dx is over. Integral of cos cube x dx is over. Next what? Integral of tan cube x dx. Okay, ninth problem. Integral of tan cube x dx. Integral of tan cube x dx. Okay. How to do this? Tan cube x. This is easy only. But as usual, trigonometry formulas knowledge is needed. Tan cube x can be written as tan square x into tan x. Can we write like this? Yes, we can write like this. Tan cube x can be written as tan square x into tan x. Now, what is the trigonometry formula we know? 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus tan square theta is what? 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta. From this, what is tan square theta? In left hand side 1 is there, now you take it to the right hand side. Tan square theta is secant square theta minus 1. So in place of tan square x, what I can write? I can write secant square x minus 1, that equal to integral of secant square x minus 1. Secant square x can, tan square x can be written as secant square x minus 1 into tan x dx. Now this tan x into this whatever is there inside the bracket, I'll multiply. What you will get? First you multiply tan x into secant square x, then what you will get? That equal to integral of tan x into secant square x dx. Secant square x, I'll okay, in minus 1 into tan x is tan x. 1 into tan x is tan x. Okay, I'll write into dx. What happened? This tan x I multiplied with this secant square x minus 1. I got like this. Now I need to integrate this. How to integrate? I'll integrate each and every term. Good. Integrate each and every term. Integral of tan x into secant square x dx. Secant square x dx minus integral of tan x dx. Okay. Here important point. Model number 3. In model number 3, you learn this formula. Integral of f of x whole power n into f dash of x dx. In model number 3, in type 3 problems, we learn this formula. What is this formula? F of x whole power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. If you want to do this problem, you must be good in model number 3. When given integral is of this form, then we will write answer like this. We did around 12 to 13 problems of this model. Now the point is, you look here, this is f of x. Derivative, I am asking derivative. Derivative of tan x is what? Derivative of tan x is secant square x. So here this is of the form f of x whole power n. Nothing is there means in the power 1 will be there. Here 1 I can write f of x whole power n into f dash of x dx. To integrate this, I can use this formula. F of x. What is f of x here? F of x is tan x. What is f dash of x? Derivative of tan x is secant square x. So what is the answer? Answer is f of x whole power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. What is f of x here? F of x is tan x. That equal to, look here, that equal to tan x whole power n plus 1. What is n here? N is 1. 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Divided by 2 minus integral of tan x dx. We have direct formula. In the first class, you learn integral of tan x dx. Formula. What is integral of tan x dx? Integral of tan x dx is log mod secant x plus c. So with this, integral of tan cube x dx problem is completed. I hope you understand this problem. So we completed integral of sin cube x dx, integral of cos cube x dx, integral of tan cube x dx. What is the one more thing? Cot cube x. Integral of cot cube x dx. How to calculate integral of cot cube x dx? This is easy, but the thing is medium. Okay. These problems, in case if you are feeling medium, you can make it easy with little bit of practice. I am saying for every problem, what are the things needed? You don't take it very lightly. You take it seriously. You must be good in trigonometry formulas. You must be good in integration formulas. Whatever the earlier models are there till now we did, you must be good in that. Especially model number 2 and model number 3 to understand these problems. Okay. Now, you know this formula from trigonometry. 1 plus cot square x. What is 1 plus cot square x formula? 1 plus cot square x is cosecant square x. From this, what is cot square x? Cot square x is cosecant square x minus 1. So here, I need to know this formula. Cot cube x is there. Na? Cot cube x, I'll write it as cot square x into cot x. Like last problem. In last problem, what we did? Look here, tan cube x I written as tan square x into tan x. I know this tan square x formula, I used it. In the same way, this cot cube x I written it as cot square x into cot x. Now I know the formula of cot square x. What is cot square x? Cot square x formula is cosecant square x minus 1. I'll write it. Cosecant square x minus 1 into cot x dx. I hope you are understanding. Now this function is then I'll multiply with cot x. Multiply, what you will get? Integral of cot x into cosecant square x minus 1 into cot x. 1 into cot x is cot x only. Cot x dx. I hope you are understanding. Good. Now, I need to integrate each and every term. Okay. That equal to integral of cot x into cosecant square x dx minus integral of cot x dx. Okay. Okay, look here, integral of cot x into cosecant square x dx. Now I need to integrate this. Again, same formula. You know this formula, integral of f of x whole power n into f dash of x dx. When given problem is of this form, integral of f of x whole power n into f dash of x dx, then its answer is f of x whole power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. N plus 1 plus c. Okay. Now you observe this one. Here cot x is there. Look here. Here cot x is there. And here cosecant square x is there. What is derivative of cot x? Derivative of cot x. I said differentiation knowledge is compulsory. Without a differentiation, you don't dare to learn integration. Seriously, I am saying. Because integration other name is anti-differentiation. If you do not know differentiation, how you will think about anti-differentiation? So you must be good in differentiation chapter. Okay. Compared to integration, differentiation is easy. Okay. Here cot x is there. Na? Derivative of cot x is what? Derivative of cot x is minus cosecant square x. But minus is not there. It's okay. No problem. What I'll do? Here I'll write 1 minus. Here I'll write 1 minus. Now you observe. Here minus minus will become plus. Again you will get same step. What is there above? Now what is derivative of cot x? Derivative of cot x is minus cosecant square x. So you observe, is this in 1 minute? Is this in the form of f of x whole power n into f dash of x dx? What is f of x here? Cot x. Whole power n is not there. You may think like that. Okay, it's okay. I'll write power 1. Right? This is f of x whole power n into f dash of x. Its derivative is there. Then what is its answer? Its answer is f of x whole power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. F of x. What is f of x? F of x is cot x. What is n? N is 1. So what it will be? Minus already is there. Here minus is there, na? That minus as it is written. So if I apply for this problem, if I apply this formula, what I will get? I will get f of x whole power n plus 1. F of x is cot x. N plus 1. N is 1 here. 1 plus 1, 2. D minus. So if you integrate this, you will get like this. Minus. Now look here. Integral of cot x dx. In first class of integration, you learn 19 formulas. Their integral of cot x dx is there. What is integral of cot x dx? Integral of cot x dx is log mod sin x plus c. Integral of cot x dx is log mod sin x plus c. Okay, so integral of cot cube x dx is this one. I hope you understand this. Actually, we are doing all the problems series wise. Integral of sin square x dx, look here, this one. This series is over. First we learned these problems. We done these 6 problems. Now what is completed? This second series is over. Till now we completed 10 problems. Integral of sin cube x dx, integral of cos cube x, integral of tan cube x, integral of cot cube x. See, this model number 4, what problems I am doing now? I am going to use it again in the next class. See how, listen carefully what I am saying. Listen carefully what I am saying. Integral of sin square x dx, you learn na? In the same procedure, we will calculate integral of sin square 4x dx. So, in the next class, we are going to do this type of problems. If you want to learn this type of problems, you must know in what way we did this problem. Okay, suppose if you want to do integral of tan cube 5x dx. Integral of tan cube 5x dx. In what way I did this problem, in the same way I will do this. So, model number 4, what you are learning for this extension is also there. Suppose here sin power 4x is there. Sin power 4, integral of sin power 4 ax plus b is there. Then how we will do this? Base same procedure. These two are same model. These two are same model. Okay. However, till now we completed 10 problems. Another 4 problems are there. In these 4, these 2 are lengthy, little difficult to understand. However, we will do it neatly, slowly, so that you can understand. Okay. So, integral of sin power 4x dx, integral of cos power 4x dx, these are going to be little difficult. Okay. 11th problem, integral of sin power 4x dx. Okay. To do this problem, this sin power 4x is there, na? This sin power 4x, I will write it as sin square x whole square. I will write it as sin square x whole square. We can write like this. Sin square x whole square is sin power 4x only. Okay. Integral of sin square x whole square dx. Now, what is sin square x formula? In first problem, you learned this. What is the formula of 1 minus cos 2x? See, repeatedly using formula. In this class, first problem I used this formula. 1 minus cos 2x formula is 2 sin square x. 1 minus cos 2x formula is 2 sin square x. What is sin square x from this? You take this 2 to this side. 1 minus cos 2x by 2. Right? Here, 1 sin square x is 1 minus cos 2x by 2. Sin square x is 1 minus cos 2x by 2. So, in this formula, in place of sin square x, I will write that 1 minus cos 2x by 2 whole square. I hope you understand. In place of this sin square x, I written this formula 1 minus cos 2x by 2. Now, you look here, this is of the form a by b whole square. A square by b square. So, when I square here, this 2 will become 4. That 4 is constant, na? Then I can write that 4 outside the integral. I hope you are understanding. That equal to 1 by 4 into integral of, what is remaining here? 1 minus cos 2x whole square dx. I hope you understand what I written. Look at this problem. Now, this sin square x is 1 minus cos 2x by 2 whole square. Okay. When I square here, this 2 is there, na? This 2 will become 4. As 4 is constant, I written outside the integral. Okay. Now, look this one, 1 minus cos 2x whole square. This is like a minus b whole square formula. A minus b whole square, that equal to 1 by 4 into integral of, look here, a minus b whole square formula, a square. What is a square? That is 1 plus b square. B square means cos square 2x. A square plus b square cos square 2x minus 2ab. 2 into 1 into cos 2x, that is 2 cos 2x. This is little lengthy problem. Have patience, and this is difficult also. Till now, whatever the problems we did, compared to all the problems, this problem is the difficult one. Okay. Now, a minus b whole square formula. a minus b whole square formula is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now look here, cos square 2x is there. I need to simplify this. We don't have any direct formula for this. You learn how to calculate cos square x dx, right? So here I need to write cos square 2x. Look here, cos square 2x. You know this formula, 1 plus cos 2x. What is 1 plus cos 2x formula? 1 plus cos 2x is 2 cos square x. Now from this, what is cos square x? You take 2 to this side, you will get cos square x. Okay. What is cos square x? 1 plus cos 2x divided by 2. Okay. Listen here. Cos square x is 1 plus cos 2x. Cos square x is 1 plus cos 2x divided by 2. Now what I want? Look here. Cos square 2x is there here. Cos square 2x is there. Here I want cos square 2x. Here cos square x is there. In this formula, wherever x is there, in this full formula, wherever x is there, there you write 2x. There you write 2x. Okay. Then what you will get? You will get like this. 1 plus cos 2 into 2x, 4x divided by x equal to cos square 2x. What happened? Here this formula you have now. In this formula where x is there, there you write 2x. Then it will become 1 plus cos 2 into 2x is 4x divided by 4 divided by 2. Divided by 2 equal to cos square 2x. I hope you understand this. Okay. Cos square 2x is what? 1 plus cos 4x divided by 2. Now that equal to 1 by 4 into integral of 1 plus, what is cos square 2x formula? Cos square 2x formula is 1 plus cos 4x divided by 2. In place of cos square 2x, I'll write this one. Okay, write it. 1 plus cos 4x divided by 2 minus 2 cos 2x. 2 cos 2x dx. Very good. Now I'll simplify this little bit. This part, just LCM type of thing, I'll simplify here. Let's see how to simplify this. That equal to 1 by 4 into integral of, what is LCM? LCM is 2. What you will get here? 1 into 2, that is 2 plus 1 plus cos 4x minus 2 into 2, 4 minus 4 cos 2x dx. I hope you understand this. Here in the denominator 2 is there now. This is constant. You take it 1 by 4 into 1 by 2, that is 1 by 8. That equal to 1 by 8 into integral of okay, integral of 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is what? 3. Okay, 3 plus cos 4x minus 4 cos 2x dx. I hope you are understanding. In the denominator 2 is there now. This is constant, actually 1 by 2. That 1 by 2 I written outside the integral. 1 by 4 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 8. Now I need to integrate this. How to integrate this? I'll integrate each and every term. That equal to 1 by 8 into integral of 3 dx. I'll keep a bracket here. Integral of 3 dx plus integral of cos 4x dx minus integral of 4 into cos 2x dx. Okay. Now I need to integrate this. That equal to 1 by 8 into, okay, integral of k dx formula you know. What is integral of k dx? Integral of k dx is kx. So integral of k dx is kx plus c. Okay. So integral of 3 dx is 3x plus c. Plus c I'll write at the end. Plus integral of cos 4x dx. Integral of cos 4x dx. This you learn in model number 2. You know integral of cos x dx formula. Integral of cos x dx is sin x plus c. Integral of cos 4x dx. Integral of cos 4x dx. In place of x, here ax plus b is there. If you want to learn this, you check that model number 2. Okay. If you already know, write the answer directly. Its answer starts with 1 by x coefficient. X coefficient is 4. Into, as you know, integral of sin x dx. Integral of cos x dx is sin x plus c. Here we will write integral of cos 4x as sin 4x. I hope you understand what I am trying to say. Integral of cos 4x dx is 1 by 4 into sin 4x. Okay. minus 4 into, similarly, integral of cos 2x dx. 4 is constant, I written outside the integral. So what you will get here, that is 1 by 2 into sine 2x. 1 by 2 into sine 2x plus c. Integral of cos 2x dx is 1 by 2 into sine 2x plus c. Right? Good. Now, further simplification. Multiply 1 by 8 into 3x, that is 3x by 8 plus 1 by 8 fours are 32 into sine 4x. Okay, this will get cancelled. Minus, look here, 2 into 1 by 8. 2 into 1 by 8 is 1 by 4. Okay, this is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 into sine 2x plus c. I hope you understand. Now, question number 12. Question number 12. Integral of cos power 4x dx. Okay. First thing, this problem, last problem, both are similar model. Okay. How I will do this? This equal to integral of cos power 4x is there, that can be written as cos square x whole square dx. Cos square x whole square dx. In trigonometry, you know this formula. 1 plus cos 2x formula is what? 1 plus cos 2x formula is 2 cos square x. This 2 is there, na? You take it to this side. What you will get? You will get that 1 plus cos 2x divided by 2 equal to cos square x. So, in this formula here, in this question, cos square x is there. Na? We know that cos square x is 1 plus cos 2x divided by 2. So, you write it, that equal to integral of cos square x is there. Na? Cos square x can be written as 1 plus cos 2x divided by 2 whole square dx. Now, I need to simplify this. Here square is there. Na? When I square this denominator 2 is there, na? It will become 4. You write it outside the integral. Then what you will get? 1 by 4 into integral of, what you will get here? 1 plus cos 2x whole square. You can observe this cos power 4x dx, you got like this. Now, in sin power 4x dx also you got like this. Only the difference is in sin power 4x here minus is there. In cos power 4x here plus is there. That's it. That is the only difference. So, this problem, last problem are very similar. Only sign difference will be there. Okay. That equal to 1 by 4 into integral of, this is like a plus b whole square. Expand this a plus b whole square formula. A square 1 square plus b square, that is cos square 2x plus 2ab, 2 into 1 into cos 2x, that is 2 cos 2x dx. Now, to integrate, we cannot integrate each and every term here. Please try to understand. We cannot integrate each and every term here. You need to simplify this because we don't have any direct formula for integral of cos square 2x. You need to simplify this. You look here, you know cos square x, na? You know the formula of cos square x. So, you can write cos square 2x very easily. How? In this formula where x is there you write 2x, then you will get cos square 2x. Look here, in place of x I am writing 2x, cos square 2x. Here also x is there. In place of x I will write 2x. 2 into 2x is 4x. So, what you will get? 1 plus cos 2 into 2x. 1 plus cos 4x by 2. So, what is cos square 2x? Cos square 2x is 1 plus cos 4x divided by 2. So, here cos square 2x is there. Na? In place of cos square 2x, I will write this 1 plus cos 4x by 2. Write it, integral of 1 plus, what is cos square 2x? 1 plus cos 4x divided by 2 plus 2 cos 2x dx. I hope you are understanding. Now, what I will do? I will simplify this part. Okay, simplify like LCM type simplification. That equal to 1 by 4 into integral of, what is LCM here? The LCM is 2. Okay, 2 into, what you will get? Yes, we have class at 8 p.m. today. A continuation of this model number 4. Okay, right. Simplify this. What you will get? 2 plus 1 plus cos 4x plus 4 cos 2x. Like last problem. So, no need of much explanation here. Here by 2 is there, that is constant. I will take that outside the integral. So, what it will become? It will become like equal to 1 by 8 into integral of 3 plus cos 4x plus 4 cos 2x dx. Now, you observe this one. I can integrate this now directly. Right? Now, I will integrate each and every term. Okay. Integrate, that equal to 1 by 8 into, okay, 1 by 8 into, keep a bracket here, integral of 3 dx plus integral of cos 4x dx plus here we need to integrate this. Right? 4 is constant. Now take it outside the integral. What you will get? 4 times of integral of cos 2x dx. Okay, if you want to do this integration, you must be good in model number 2. In case if you not watch it that model number 2, now you please go back and check the second video of this integration series. There model number 2 is there. Not second video, third video. Please check the third video. Okay, that equal to 1 by 8 into integral of k dx formula kx. Integral of 3 dx is what? Integral of 3 dx is 3x plus c. That plus c I will write at the end. Integral of cos 4x dx. How to integrate this? That is what we learn in model number 2. You know integral of cos x dx. Integral of cos x dx is sin x plus c. In place of x here ax plus b is there. Na? So we learn in model number 2 how to write its answer directly. Integral of cos 4x dx is sin 4x divided by 4. 1 by 4 into sin 4x. Good. Plus 4 into integral of cos 2x dx. Integral of cos 2x dx. Again model number 2. So how to write its answer? In place of x here ax plus b is there. Na? Its answer starts with 1 by x coefficient. What is x coefficient here? X coefficient is 2. Okay, 1 by 2 into sin 2x plus c. Okay, now this whole thing I'll multiply with 1 by 8. Let's see what you will get. That equal to 3x divided by 8 plus 1 by 32 into sin 4x plus here this is actually this 2 will get cancelled. 2 times will get cancelled. So 2 by 8. 2 by 8 is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 into sin 2x plus c. I hope you understand this, right? So what you got? 3 by 8 into x plus 1 by 32 into sin 4x plus 1 by 4 into sin 2x plus c. I hope you understand. Yes or no? These problems, this sin power 4x dx and cos power 4x dx. These are little difficult problems. Not so easy, right? Remaining whatever are there in this. Actually what we are doing in this class, we are doing these 16 problems, right? So now we completed up to here, integral of cos power 4x dx. Now remaining what are there, they are not so tough. You can do it easily. Okay. Now integral of tan power 4x dx. Okay. 12th question is over, right? 13th question. Sin power 4x is over, cos power 4x is over. Now tan power 4x dx. How to integrate this? Integral of tan power 4x dx. Tan power 4x can be written as tan square x into tan square x. We can write like this. Tan power 4x can be written like this. I am not going here tan square x whole square. Little easy method is there. Okay. Integral of tan square x into, you know this formula 1 plus tan square x. What is 1 plus tan square x? 1 plus tan square x is secant square x. From this what is tan square x? Tan square x is secant square x minus 1. Okay, so here tan square x is there. Na? In place of tan square x, I can write secant square x minus 1. Okay, in place of tan square x, you write secant square x minus 1 dx. Okay, now this secant square x minus 1 is there. Na? You multiply with tan square x, then what you will get? You will get like this, that equal to integral of tan square x into secant square x minus tan square x dx. I just multiplied this with tan square x. Now, how to integrate this? We integrate each and every term. Okay, that equal to integral of tan x whole square into secant square x dx minus integral of tan square x dx. I hope you understand this. Okay. Now you observe this one. How to integrate? This is of which form? In model number 3, type 3 problems are there. What is that formula? Integral of f of x whole power n into f dash of x dx is what? Is f of x whole power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. Okay. So here this is f of x whole power n into derivative of tan x is secant square x. So if you observe this integral is of this form. f of x is tan x, f dash of x is derivative of tan x is secant square x. Then what is its answer? Its answer is f of x whole power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. What is f of x here? F of x is tan x. Tan x whole cube divided by 3. Okay. So I hope you understand how to integrate this. Plus integral of tan square x dx. Look here, square series came. Actually, in this class only, in the beginning, we learned integral of sin square x, integral of cos square x, integral of tan square x, all those things we learned. So how to integrate this? In today's class, in the beginning, we learned tan square x can be written as secant square x minus 1. So integral of, here tan square x is there, I'll write it as secant square x minus 1 dx. That equal to tan x whole cube divided by 3 plus integrate each and every term. Integral of secant square x dx is what? Integral of secant square x dx is tan x. Okay, tan x minus integral of 1 dx is what? Integral of 1 dx is x. X plus c. I hope you understand how to calculate integral of tan power 4x dx. Now, 14th problem. What is 14th problem? Integral of cot power 4x dx. Okay. Integral of tan power 4x, cot power 4x. Both are same procedure. Cot power 4x is there. Now, cot power 4x, you write it as cot square x into cot square x dx. In trigonometry, you learn this formula, cot square x formula. What is cot square x formula? 1 plus cot square x is cosecant square x. Na? You know this formula, 1 plus cot square x is cosecant square x. Right? So, what is cot square x? Cot square x is cosecant square x minus 1. This formula we used it so many times in this class only. Okay. Now, what I'll do? This expression I'll multiply with cot square x. That equal to integral of cot square x means cot x whole square. I can write like this into cosecant square x minus cot square x minus cot square x dx. What happened? I just multiplied this with cot square x. Now you integrate each and every term. Integral of cot x whole square into cosecant square x dx minus integral of cot square x dx. Okay, that equal to how this is of which form? In last problem we discussed it now. F of x whole power n into f dash of x. But derivative of cot x is what? Derivative of cot x is minus cosecant square x. So here I'll write 1 minus, here I'll write 1 minus to integrate this. Now it is of which form? Integral of f of x whole power n into f dash of x dx. That equal to, so cot x is there, na? Derivative of cot x is what? Derivative of cot x is minus cosecant square x. So this is of the form integral of f of x whole power n into f dash of x dx. So what is that? That is f of x whole power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. So here what is f of x? F of x is cot x. Cot x whole power n into f of x whole power n into f dash of x dx. So what you will get here? Minus cot x whole power n plus 1, 2 plus 1 by 3. You will get like this. Minus integral of cot square x dx. In today's class only, in the beginning, we learned this. Sin square x, cos square x, tan square x, cot square x like this. Cot square x can be written as cosecant square x minus 1. Integral of cosecant square x minus 1 dx. Now you integrate each and every term, then what you will get? That equal to minus cot x whole cube divided by 3 minus, you integrate each and every term, integral of cosecant square x dx. Integral of cosecant square x dx is minus cot x. Look here, minus of minus is plus. Okay, minus of minus is plus. Integral of 1 dx. Integral of 1 dx is x. Okay, integral of 1 dx is x plus c. I hope you understand this solution. Now, integral of secant power 4x dx. Secant power 4x dx. How to integrate this? The secant power 4x is there, na? I'll write like this. Secant square x into secant square x dx. Okay. Now, this secant square x is there, na? This secant square x can be written as 1 plus tan square x. In trigonometry, we have the formula secant square x is 1 plus tan square x, right? 1 plus tan square x. 1 plus tan square x is secant square. We have this formula. So in place of secant square x, I'll write 1 plus tan square x. Let's see what happens. That equal to integral of secant square x into secant square x formula is 1 plus tan square x. 1 plus tan square x dx. Now what I'll do, I'll multiply secant square x into this term. Then what you will get, that equal to integral of secant square x plus secant square x into tan square x dx. I hope you are understanding. In case if you feel I am doing little faster, please let me know. Right? Now I need to integrate each and every term. Integral of secant square x dx, okay, plus integral of, here this one is there na, just for our convenience, secant square x into tan square x, it is multiplication na. I'll write this as tan square x into secant square x. Tan square x can be written as tan x whole square into secant square x dx. Okay, now look here, integral of secant square x dx. What is integral of secant square x dx? Integral of secant square x dx is tan x. Integral of secant square x is direct formula. Integral of secant square dx is tan x plus derivative of tan x is secant square x. Right? Derivative of tan x is secant square x. It is of which form? F of x whole power n into f dash of x dx. We discussed integral of f of x whole power n into f dash of x dx is f of x whole power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. Tan x whole power 2 plus 1, 3 by 3 plus c. That's it. So we got that integral of secant power 4x dx answer. Okay, let me check once we got correct or not. Tan x plus tan x whole cube by 3. So we completed 15 problems. Now 16th problem, integral of cosecant power 4x dx. See, I did 15 problems now. I want you to try this problem your own. I'll just write the answer for this. So I want you to try this problem. You will get answer like this for this problem. I want you to try without fail, right? How we did this secant power 4x dx? In the same way, you please do this problem. I hope you understand today's class. Whatever problems we did today, they are very, very important. See this? These problems are very, very important. Total 16 problems we are going to complete. And the point is, this is not yet over. This is not yet over. In next class, continuation of this. Suppose integral of sine square 2x plus 3 dx. Integral of sine square 2x plus 3 dx. How to do it? In place of x, if 2x plus 3 is there, how to do it? In what way you did this problem? In the same way, we will calculate integral of sine square 2x plus 3 dx.